Hello everyone, I'm sales engineer Bruce. I'm delighted to take you on a tour of our factory today, where we will explore the secrets of glass bottle manufacturing. Next, I will guide you through the fascinating process of glass bottle blowing and shaping. Now, what we are witnessing is the blow molding phase of the glass container, a crucial step where skilled artisans employ traditional techniques to blow air into molten glass. This process shapes the glass into the initial form of a bottle. For narrow-necked glass bottles, such as beer bottles, wine bottles, or soda bottles, we employ the blow and blow process. This process consists of the following 7 steps. Gulp dropped into the blow mold, neck formed, blank blowing, blank shape, blank transferred to blow mold, final shape blowing, finished bottle. For wide mouth glass containers such as vases, candle jars, or baby bottles, the widely adopted manufacturing process is the press and blow technique. This process involves 7 key steps. Gulp dropped into blank mold. Plunger presses blank shape. Blank pressed. Blank shape. Blank transferred to blow mold. Final shape blowing. Finished jar. After the shaping process, the bottles enter the annealing stage. Here, they gradually cool in a precisely controlled environment. The annealing process elevates internal stresses, enhancing the strength and durability of the glass. Glass bottles and jars, having undergone the annealing process, undergo rigorous quality inspection to ensure they meet our stringent quality standards. In conclusion, our meticulously crafted glass bottles are carefully packaged to ensure their safety during transportation. Thank you for touring with us. If you have any further questions about glass bottle manufacturing or our products, please feel free to reach out.